Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to upload videos on Teachable. First, open your Teachable app. Then go to Courses. Here, you can create or manage any course you want to teach. Click to select course name. Scroll down, you will see the Upload option. After that, go to Curriculum. Go to Publish, then click on New Lesson. Then click on 3 vertical dots to preview, rename, duplicate, or delete lessons. Then click on First Lesson. Here, select Edit right next to Outline. Now, rename your section by clicking on 3 dots on your right. Then click on Publish. After that, go back. Here, click on Add Content. Go to the videos. Click on the plus icon. Now, select videos from the destination folder. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and share.